Hi students, welcome to Lavanya chemistry classes. In this session, I am going to teach you about covalent bond. Before we go into covalent bond, we are discussed with previous class. In previous classes, the ionic bond, what is ionic bond, how they are formed, factors favorable conditions for ionic bond, and their characteristics we are discussing. In this session, what is covalent bond? What is covalency? And examples to explain covalent bond and their characteristics. What is covalent bond? When the bond formed between two atoms is the result of sharing of electrons between them to get octet configuration, then that bond is called covalent bond. When the bond is formed between two atoms is the result of sharing of electrons between them. Now we consider two atoms. The two atoms, the one atom sharing electrons to another atom to form a bond, and those are get octet configuration. Octet configuration means noble gas configuration, that is 8 electrons in the valence shell to form a bond. Noble gas configuration is a stable. In covalent bond, the bond formed between two atoms by sharing of electrons to get octet configuration is called as covalent bond. In covalent bond, covalency. What is covalency? The covalency is the number of electrons contributed by each atom for completing octet. The number of electrons contributed by each atom for completing octet. For completing octet, that is the completing 8 electrons, each atom contributing number of electrons, so they attain completing octet, that is called covalency. Now, examples to explain covalent bond. The first one is the hydrogen molecule. Let us look at this. Hydrogen molecule can be formed by two hydrogen atoms, each hydrogen carrying one electron in the orbit. What is hydrogen molecule? Molecule means the number of atoms combined to form a molecule. Hydrogen molecule means the two hydrogen atoms combined to form a molecule to attain octet configuration to form a covalent bond. See this. Each hydrogen having one orbit, and hydrogen can be symbolized as hydrogen H. The hydrogen atomic number is 1, so the general electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. In the orbit, only one electron revolves around the nucleus. So the each hydrogen carrying one electron in the orbit. In those hydrogen carrying 2 electrons in orbit, so those 2 electrons sharing to form a covalent bond. That means hydrogen and hydrogen bond like this. I represented like Lewis dot method. Each hydrogen carrying one electron. So those two electrons combine to form a covalent bond like this. Hydrogen and hydrogen in single bond is formed. And another example, oxygen molecule. Let us look at this. The two oxygen atoms combine to form a oxygen molecule. Each oxygen carrying 6 electrons. Like this. These are the oxygen molecule diagrams for electron representation. This is the first oxygen molecule nucleus. This is the second oxygen molecule nucleus. In the first oxygen atom, the oxygen molecule can be symbolized O. The atomic number of oxygen is 8, so the general electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In the last outermost shell, that is second orbit 2s and 2p, containing 6 electrons in the outermost shell. In the 1s2 orbital, having 2 electrons, that is 1s orbital like this containing 2 electrons, I represented like this, and the last outermost shell, that is out from the nucleus, this is the last outermost shell, 2s and 2p orbital, 6 electrons in the valency shell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 electrons sharing to form a covalent bond, that is, this is the another oxygen atom, so its covalency is 2. The 4 electrons in the oxygen molecule can be shared to form a double bond between 2 oxygens like this. This is the oxygen molecules for example to covalent bond. And the another example, CH4 molecule. The CH4 is called as methane. In methane molecule, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens are involved in the bond formation. In carbon atom, having 4 electrons in the outermost shell, each hydrogen atom carrying 1 electron, because hydrogen's atomic number is 1, so it attains 1 electron. Each 4 hydrogens carrying 1 electron to undergo bonding to sharing to electrons like this to form a 4 bonds, that is like this. This is the methane molecule structure. These are the examples to covalent bond. What is covalent bond? When the bond formed between two atoms is the result of sharing of electrons. The sharing of electrons is called as covalent bond, and transfer of electrons are called as ionic bond. These are the covalent bond. Now we are discuss about what are the characteristics of covalent bond. In covalent bond, the covalent compounds having generally liquids or gases, they having low melting point and boiling points, and polar covalent compounds dissolve in polar solvent, but non-polar solvents can be dissolved in non-polar solvents. They are used in insulators. They undergo molecular reactions, but which are very slow. And they got specific shape and it is directional in nature. These are the characteristics of covalent bond. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.